Welcome viewers to Shormishta Cook. Hope you are all well. My today's recipe is mutton with green chili and black pepper. আজকে আমি মাটন রান্না করব কাঁচা লঙ্কা আর গোলমরিচ দিয়ে. This is a very simple item. So let's go and check how I have cooked the mutton with green chili and black pepper. তো দেখে নেওয়া যাক যে আমি কি কি ingredients নিয়েছি. Here I have taken 1 kg mutton and with it I have added 3/4 cup yogurt, mixed it well and then kept it in the refrigerator for 3 hours, and out of the refrigerator I kept it for 1 hour. So total marination period is 4 hours. Now here I have taken 3 chopped onion. These are all red onions, some ginger and garlic. So 1.5 garlic peeled and about 2-inch ginger and roughly chopped. These are some green chilies. This chili is not very hot but very fresh. I have taken about 10 to 15 green chilies over here. This is chopped coriander leaves. These coriander leaves and slitted green chilies and lemon, I have kept it for the last phase of the cooking, that is for garnishing. And here I have taken 3 small cardamom. This is green cardamom and 1 black cardamom, half teaspoon turmeric powder. In this item turmeric powder is, you may avoid turmeric powder also, I have taken very less. This is 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder. This is one of the main ingredient. 2.5 tablespoon black pepper powder, and this black pepper is freshly grinded. I have just grinded it in the mixer jar. And these are about 10 cashew nuts, and this is 1.5 teaspoon watermelon seed. Now how I will start the cooking? First I will make a paste of this ginger, garlic and the green chilies. So let's start. I have made 2 paste. This is with the green chili, garlic and the ginger, and this is the cashew nut and watermelon seed paste. So 2 paste are ready. First I will boil the mutton because I need the fresh aroma of black pepper powder and the green chili. So I will not keep this mutton later on in the pressure cooker. First I am going to boil it. So for that reason I am adding half scoop of mustard oil, and this marinated mutton I will add. So the whole mutton I have given in the pressure cooker, and about half cup of water with it, and this half teaspoon turmeric powder I am adding. A little bit salt was added during the marination, so now I will add a little amount of salt, only 1/4 spoon of salt, and let's mix it up in the pressure cooker because mutton takes long time for the boiling, and so that it becomes well cooked. This is my first step of this item, and I will close the lid, and about 90% of the mutton I will cook, and 1 kg mutton take generally 7 to 8 whistle. So I will cook up to 6 whistle and then put it off. So while this mutton being cooked, I start the other process. So I have already given the mutton in another stove of the gas, and here I have taken a non-stick pan and adding about 3.5 scoop of mustard oil. Let it be little hot. This oil is little bit hot, so I am adding the large black cardamom and the green cardamoms. 1 bay leaf, a small bay leaf I have taken. This I have mixed to show you in the ingredient, and 1.5 inch of cinnamon stick into it. A little bit of stirring, then adding the chopped onion in the pan, and whenever the onion has to be sauteed, so you already know that a little bit salt is needed for the saute. It turns brown quickly if you add little bit of salt. So let it be sauteed nicely until it turns brown. So as you can listen, This is the fourth city or whistle is going on in the pressure cooker, and by that time the onion has turned brown, and I am going to add the ginger garlic and the green chili paste. So this is another tip. Now you have to keep the flame low, otherwise the onion and the other ingredients what I am adding in the pan may be burned. So when you are sauteing the green chili and the ginger garlic paste along with the onion, by that time you have to keep the flame off. When you are sauteing it, so you keep the flame low, otherwise it may be burnt. And in the pressure cooker already 6 whistles have gone, so I have put the flame off in that side of the gas stove. So now the mutton is ready. The mutton is already boiled and well cooked, so I am transferring this in the cooking pan now. So I am adding the mutton in the cooking pan, and don't waste the stock. The mutton stock we will use afterwards, not now. And at this stage I will add 1.5 teaspoon black pepper, then turmeric. So you see that in this item there is no use of any red chili, and only half teaspoon of turmeric powder I have used, not more than that. So black pepper is well mixed. This is the time I will add the coriander powder, then add the cashew nut and watermelon seed paste. The mutton is almost 90% already boiled, but it will depend on the quality of the mutton. If it's very good quality and fresh, then it will be cooked in less time. So you will get of your own assumption that how many whistles are needed for the boiling. It depends generally on the quality of the mutton. Now the chopped coriander. You can do this item with chicken also. In case of chicken, there is no need to transfer the chicken in the pressure cooker, because chicken take less time for boiling and cooking also. For that reason, if you do this item in chicken, there is no need to transfer it in the pressure cooker. Now some little black pepper again and little bit of lemon juice. Squeeze it directly into the pan. I am washing the bowl where I kept the green chili paste. Now at this point you add 1 scoop of mustard oil. This is for flavor, that's why just 1.5 scoop of mustard oil I am adding. This you can skip also. If you don't like, you can skip adding the mustard oil at this stage. And now I am adding the mutton stock. So the rest of the mutton will be cooked in this mutton stock, so no need to add any extra water. You can see that how much delicious it is looking right now also. So salt will be according to your taste. I am adding 3/4 spoon of salt now. At this point I am adding 3 slitted green chili into it and covering it with lid, and I will allow it to be cooked for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will come back and keeping the flame in medium low. So 15 minutes is over. Let me check what is the condition now. So a very nice flavor is coming out, and see it's well cooked, and see that the gravy is also not very runny. I will have it actually my family members all will have it with rice, so I am keeping this much of gravy. If you want to take this with naan or paratha or any kind of bread you like, then you can keep less gravy also. It depends on you. So this stage is over. Now I am going for plating. So I had forgotten before plating it, the last stage for the fresh aroma of the black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper. This is the last adding of black pepper in this item, and just a quick stir so that it mixes well in the entire mass. It's ready. Now I will plate this. So this is the mutton with black pepper and green chili. Hope you liked it and learned it also how I have cooked this. তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই ভালো লেগেছে যেভাবে আমি রান্না করে দেখালাম। এরকম ভাবে মাটন রান্না করে দেখাবেন আর জানাবেন আমাকে কেমন লাগলো। So please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so that all the notifications of my upcoming videos reach you soon. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.